In a cozy little bedroom stood a mirror, tall and bright, shining like a treasure in the soft morning light. But this was no ordinary mirror on the wall. It whispered secret stories to anyone small. "Come closer," said the mirror, "and take a funny peek. I'll show you magic world